All right, looking at those of us that are working on Canva for the editing of the cooking show, I'm seeing lots of common mistakes, but I can't make my computer do what your computers are doing. So I want to slow down. And one thing I'm seeing a lot, it almost looks like with many of us, the video for the cooking show is inside a white rectangle, like we took it and dropped the video on top. I want to make sure we're doing it properly. If you've got things where they should be, you click Uploads to get what you need, and then you go to Upload Files. If you're working with the video from the cooking show, you've got several tabs. Make sure you're in Videos instead of in Images, because they're totally different, right? Then we want to take the video, which is only 1:39. We want to grab it, we want to drag it, and drop it on the plus sign. Don't drop it on the 5.0, and don't drop it before the 5.0. So drop it right on the plus sign. And then you want the video to fill the frame. See how the video is the only thing we see up here. There's no white rectangle around it. If that happens and it looks strange and it looks weird and you don't know what's going on, click the 3 lines, go back to your main menu and start again. Create a design. We want a video. And then the 1920 by 1080, yes. Go to your uploads. Make sure you're in your videos. Drag and drop on the plus. And you want the video to totally fill the frame. And the big thing I'm seeing is when you split it into pieces, I want you to totally depend on the timer, because that will tell you where you are in the video. I hit my space bar, look what happened. It shrinks the video down. Do you remember when we were working on the cat and the monkey, and I said if you get more than one video track, click in the other one, and it goes away? That's it. I clicked weird, and I don't even know how I did it. But delete the white space. And if you get this, can you click on the small one and hit delete? Yeah, because all we want is the one video clip where everything fills the frame. So when you edit, I want you to totally rely on the timer. I'm looking for the first shot. So that's the stove, right? So if the stove starts at 1.0, and there is no video, there's the dark background at 0.9. You want to move your timer exactly to 1.0. Let go of your mouse. Don't touch your mouse. Hit S. Click. Hit delete. It goes away. I'm going to scrub through, just looking for the end of this shot, right? He flips it. And the picture ends where? Not at 8.0, not at 7.9, not at 7.8. is where the video stops. S. And then we can scrub forward through the black. We want to use the second can flip, right? Because the first one we don't see him put it down. Yeah, go to the second one. Where's the second one start? It's not 14.3. It looks like the video does start at 14.3. So I'm going to let go and not touch my mouse at all. That's the tough part. Then hit S. Click the stuff you don't want. Hit backspace. If we've done it right, there'll be no black flash between the shots. So we go from 1 to 2, and that looks perfect. He's going to flip it, he's going to put it in his hand and almost set it back down, and the screen goes black again, right? So back it up, back it up. Watch the timer, 13.7. There's still picture. 13.8, 13.9, it goes dark. So where does the video end? 13.8. Is this super picky? Yeah. Does it work? Yeah. So just watch that timer. We want to get rid of the black and start with the countertop. Your counters may be different because you'll do things a little bit differently than me. But in my case, since the video starts at 14, let's say 14.9, if you cut off one frame of video at the beginning, you should be okay. But if I hit S, click the stuff I don't want, hit backspace, we should see 3 shots in a row with no black flashes between. So use the timer to tell you exactly where to make your split. And once you get your cursor where you need it to go, lift your hand off the trackpad and move your hand straight to the S button. So click 1. Clip 2, no black flash, that's cool. Clip 3, no dark flash on the screen. we should be good. So use the timer to tell you exactly where to split. It's better than using your eyes.